Which infrared thermometer is actually good for your reptiles? Simple question, but the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Today, we're diving into 5 options that could really make a difference for your scaly friends.
Product number 1, Atexity Infrared Thermometer Laser Temperature Gun. First up is the Atexity Infrared Thermometer Laser Temperature Gun. Right off the bat, its bright yellow design caught my eye. And with a price point that's often around $20, it's pretty accessible. If you want an easy-to-use thermometer that gives accurate readings from a distance, this is worth a serious look. So why does this product stand out? It features a 12-to-1 distance-to-spot ratio, meaning you can measure temperatures accurately from about 14 inches away. This is super important for reptiles that might not want you getting too close. It can read temperatures from negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers a wide range for various reptile species. The backlit LCD screen makes it easy to read, even in low light, and it automatically shuts off after a period of inactivity, saving battery life. This is crucial for keeping your reptile's environment stable. Now, some folks have mentioned that it can take a second longer than expected to get a reading. Here's the thing though. For the price, this delay isn't a deal breaker, especially if you're just checking temperatures now and then. This is perfect for you if you're a new reptile owner looking for something reliable and straightforward. Skip this one if you need something for super precise scientific measurements, as it's more for casual use. Overall, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the slight delay in reading bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Temp Pro TP30 Thermometer. Next, we have the Temp Pro TP30 Infrared Thermometer Gun. At about $20.99, it's slightly pricier, but it's also packed with features. If you're serious about monitoring your reptile's environment, this one deserves your attention. What makes the Temp Pro unique is its adjustable emissivity. This means you can customize it based on the material you're measuring. For instance, if you're checking a shiny surface, you can adjust it to get accurate readings. It has a measurement range from negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for various temperatures you'll encounter. The bright LCD display is easy to read, and it also has a max measure feature, allowing you to track the highest temp recorded during your checks. This can be super handy if you want to monitor temperature spikes. However, some users pointed out that the instructions can be a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's a solid tool that gives you the control you need. This is perfect for you if you want a thermometer that adapts to different surfaces. Skip this if you're just looking for something basic and straightforward because it does have a learning curve. In terms of value, it's definitely worth it for serious reptile keepers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-friendly needs. Product number 3, Suncoda Infrared Thermometer. The third option is the Suncoda Digital Infrared Thermometer. Priced at just $9.48, this one is a steal. If you're on a budget but still want reliable readings, this is definitely worth considering. This thermometer has a broad measurement range from negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit and boasts a resolution of 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can get pretty precise readings for your reptiles. It features a backlight, which is helpful at night when you might need to check temperatures without disturbing your pets. Plus, it has a convenient data hold function, allowing you to capture the reading before it disappears. This can be super useful for quick checks. On the downside, a few users mentioned that it doesn't perform well on shiny surfaces. Here's the thing, if you stick to measuring surfaces that aren't reflective, you'll get accurate readings every time, making it an excellent choice for basic monitoring. This is perfect for you if you need something simple and affordable for occasional use. Skip this if you're looking for something more advanced with customizable features. For the price, it's a fantastic bargain. Now, if you're looking for something that focuses more on humidity alongside temperature, the next product might just be what you need.
Product number 4, Canine Outdoors Infrared Thermometer. Fourth on our list is the Canine Outdoors Infrared Thermometer. Priced around $17.97, it's designed for those who need quick, accurate readings. If you're cooking or need something versatile, this is a solid pick. What sets this thermometer apart is its single laser targeting and 12-to-1 distance-to-spot ratio.
This means you can pinpoint exactly where you're measuring, which is crucial for ensuring your reptiles are comfortable. It measures temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,112 degrees Fahrenheit, offering a wide range for different needs. The trigger pull design makes it easy to operate, and you can get a reading in less than a second. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in your hand nicely. However, some users found the trigger a bit stiff. Here's the thing, it might take a little getting used to, but once you adapt, it works smoothly and efficiently. This is perfect for you if you want something reliable for both cooking and checking your reptile's habitat. Skip this if you need a thermometer that's super lightweight and easy to handle, as it might feel a bit bulkier. It offers good value for what it delivers. Now, if you're more interested in a thermometer that also tracks humidity, the last product on our list is the best fit for you.
Product number 5, Reptile Thermometer and Humidity Gauge Set. Finally, we have the Reptile Thermometer and Humidity Gauge Set. At just $5.99, it's an incredible deal for anyone managing a terrarium. If you want an all-in-one solution for both temperature and humidity, this is definitely worth checking out. What's great about this product is that it comes in a 2-pack and is specifically designed for reptiles. You can easily stick these gauges inside the terrarium to monitor both temperature and humidity levels. Keeping your pets in the right environment is crucial, and having both readings at your fingertips can help you make quick adjustments. They're also super easy to read, so you won't have to squint to see the numbers. The downside? Some users mention that the adhesive doesn't always stick well to all surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you apply them to a clean, dry surface, they tend to hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want something affordable that covers both temperature and humidity monitoring. Skip this if you're looking for a high-tech solution, as these are more basic but effective. For under $6, it's a fantastic value. That wraps up our list of top infrared thermometers for reptiles. So there you have it. The E-Tech City for easy readings, the Temp Pro for advanced features, the Sumcoda for budget-friendly needs, the K9 for versatility, and the Reptile Thermometer and Humidity Gauge for all-in-one monitoring. Each has its strengths depending on your specific needs, so choose wisely for your reptile friends.